Hello, my name is Ngozi Zuma. So this is anatomy and physiology. That's homework 3 is to discuss the living tissues found in bone, even though bone appears to be innate. So learning outcome is chapter 7.1, subsection 1. Bone. Bone may appear to be non-living, but bone contains very active living tissues and cells. Have you ever imagined our human body without a bone? Bone plays an important role in the overall functions of our human body. They provide a frame for our body, they protect vital organs such as heart, and even produce blood that is used by our human body. So when we walk or run, it's because our bones and muscles are working well together. The active living tissues or cells we find in our bone is the bone tissue. We have the cartilage. Cartilage is a flexible connective tissue that keeps joint motion fluid by coating the surfaces of the bones in our joints and by cushioning bones against impact. We have the dense connective tissue, we have the blood vessel, and we have the nervous tissue as well. Functions of bone, it protects vital organ. The next, it provides internal support. Like the vertebrae help us to stand upright and protect the spinal cord. The cranium protects the brain, and also like the ribcage protects the heart. It stores minerals like calcium. Calcium is the most common mineral in the body, primarily found in bones. So it is needed for maintaining bone mass, and also for you to have a stronger bone, you need a considerable amount of calcium in your body. It enables movement. It's also a site for muscles and tendons. Bone and blood vessel. Blood vessels bring oxygen and nutrients to the active bone cells. All bones are surrounded by a top layer of connective tissue known as peristem. It is through this tissue that blood vessels pass through to the bone. So inside this peristem is a thick layer of compact bone. The features are it's dense, it's strong, and also it's very resistant. Bone tissue. Bone tissue has a matrix that contains inorganic salt and organic ground substance. So in between the substance is a very tiny spaces that contains a bone cell called osteocyte. Osteocytes help to respond to mechanical strain and do send signals of bone formation or bone resorption to the bone surface. They also help to regulate mineral homeostasis. So osteocyte is one of the 4 types of bone cells that we have in our body. We have the autoclast, which helps to break down and reabsorb existing bones. We have the osteoblast, which is responsible for making new bones as our body grows. We have the lining cells, which helps to control the movement of molecules in and out of our bone. So the next one is dense connective tissue. It forms strong rope-like structures such as tendons and ligaments. So the tendons attach skeletal muscles to bones, and ligaments connect bones to bones at our joints. We have the nervous tissue in bone. Nervous tissue is found in our bones, spinal cord, and in our brain. So what it does is it stimulates muscle contractions, it regulates body mechanical forces, and is essential for structure and bone function. Nerve can also signal injuries to the bones. So that's pretty much everything today. And the next one is my resources. Thank you so much.